How to optimize C drive. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily optimize your C drive. So first thing, just head over to your this PC option over here, and once inside here, as you can see, my local disk C is almost full in space, so you can basically right click on it to optimize it and click on its properties just like this. And here you can also see this disk cleanup option over here. So just tap on this basically, and it will calculate automatically to the things that you can optimize. So let's say I want to remove these over here, and as well as your disk setter, DirectX setter, case files, and all of the files in the recycle bin as well, and temporary files if you have one. And once you decide to delete all of these, you can simply tap on this OK button over here, and it will automatically delete all of those files, including the one from the recycle bin as well. So you just have to wait for a few seconds until the disk cleanup utility is cleaning up the unnecessary files on your machines. So once you do all of that, your issue regarding your optimization of your local disk C should be fixed. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.